It's hard to put a price on friendship. Unless you're the new AI startup Friend who has the exact number for what companionship costs. It's $129, comes in the form of a pendant you hang around your neck, and is designed to make you feel seen. We'll see about that. Welcome to M7's Tech Tasting. We're going to unbox, onboard, and set up our new Friend pendant. Now, I've spent a lifetime cultivating companionship and have a couple close friends that I love dearly. I'd even argue I don't need a new friend. So if this product is a success, I will have to kick out one of my real friends to make room for this. So Steve and Denis, you two can fight it out. Kidding, let's dive deep into this dystopian future. Let's go. So you're looking at the Friend pendant. Now we have it here so you can kind of see it. It says Friend right up front. That giant banging sound was the actual pendant that fell right out of the box. Now you're gonna see everything my screen actually sees. And what we're gonna do here, set it up and let's download Friend. Ooh, a 2.7. Wake up, friend. No friend yet? No, of course. Who would download the app and not have this? That would be a new type of loneliness. m7innovations.co. Aha, okay, so we're in. My name, all right, so do I wanna tell my friend my name? I'm just gonna be Matt. Let's continue. I'm gonna allow Bluetooth, which will be allowed. I'm gonna allow notifications. We'll see, just for the test. Oh, yeah. Can you read this? Yep, agree, yep. Nothing like, Jesus, nothing like, whoa, my goodness. Wait, these are the terms. Actually, this is pretty exciting. Okay, I can accept that I'm 18. That's acceptable. Oh my God, I acknowledge I waive my right to jury trials, class action lawsuits, and court proceedings. I consent to passive recordings, biometric data, AI training. I have read and understood. Yes, yeah, I definitely did all that. And finally, I can agree. All right. Oh, what a beautiful name, 161A372D. Let's do Friendster. Friendster, you know, just like an homage. All right, let's do Friendster. I have to sign, oh my goodness, I'm signing. Take your Friendster with you. When connected, Friendster's always listening, remembering everything. Great. Press and hold the light while speaking. Hello, my good friend. Great to meet you. I just signed the T's and C's, a real breeze. How you doing today? I just remembered it doesn't talk back to you. Hey Matt, nice to meet you too. All right, we're getting to the crux of all of this. What do I do now? How do I become good friends with you? Just keep chatting with me. That's how we'll get to know each other. So I'll break the fourth wall here. How this product works is you are supposed to wear it around your neck, and it is ambiently going to listen to all the conversations you have. It never sends you more than 2 lines of text. So it basically gives you notifications and gives you affirmations, if you will. So I'm gonna wear you for the next 24 hours and we're gonna see what this is like. Welcome to being my friend. Sweet. Let's do this, Matt. Glad to be your friend. All right, so I'm going to do everything except workout, shower, use the bathroom, all the things I'm not gonna bring this in for. Sorry, I'm touching it, shouldn't have touched it. Oh, sorry, I wasn't talking to you. And we're gonna report back, but you can already see what this device essentially is. I said no bathroom trips. Very funny. The idea here though is it's gonna listen to everything that happens all day. It sends me push notifications, text messages, words of affirmation. It's always listening, but never actively going into dialogue. You know, touted as a very Gen Z product. So I will report back with the actual report and review, but we know now the unboxing, it was pretty smooth, pretty nice box, pretty simple packaging, an unbelievable dystopian and draconian terms and services of which you had to accept everything, including those 50 pages of text you can't read in order to even activate this. So let's see what my new friend will be like. I'll be reporting back in the future.